Yeah, it's been a while since I been to an auction. It was on a gravel road. Yeah, there's supposed to be some old stuff here. A little bit of old farm machinery. I guess the tractor's already been sold, but we'll see. Hopefully get some stuff.
They look delicious.
What about 125?
There you go, buy it.
Angel Green, Flyer, Snow Globe, Musical, right here on $10.
There. This was a pretty good wagon, except it kind of broke down. It was like that in the building when I pulled it out.
There's a lot of potential.
It does have a lot of potential. But new cross members on it right there. $50 on, then get a bit of 50, 15, then get a bit of 15, now 50, 15, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 25, get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 10, 15, $10, 15, now 20, $20, 15, now coffee cups out, 15, then get a bit of 20, 15, then get a bit of 20, no, that's not what I'm calling him. 15, 20, then get a bit of 15, now 20, now 5, 20, then get a bit of 5, in 30, then get a bit of 30, no 30, no 30, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 35, 40, $40, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 14, then get a bit of 5, 14, then get a bit of 45, then get a bit of 5, 14, then get a bit of, now 50, then get a bit of 15, then get a bit of 15, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 60, it's $60 now, 60, now 5, then get a bit of 5, in 70, then get a bit of 70, no 70, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 75, 75, it's 75, 80, then get a 80, now 80, now 5, 80, then get a bit of 5, 85, and 90, then get a bit of 90, no 90, no 90, now 5, at 95, 90, now 500, then get a bit of 100, now 105, 100, then get a bit of 5, 105, then get a bit of 5, 505, and now 10, 110, then get a bit of 10, 10, 105, then get a bit of 110, 105, then get a bit of 10, 110, 110, 15, then get a bit of 10, then get a bit of 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 115, at 110, then get a bit now 20, 120, then get a bit of 15, then get a bit now 5, 120, then get a bit of 5, 125, 120, then get a bit of 125, 120, then get a bit of 5, 125, 130, 130, then get a bit of 130, $130, 125, get a bit 30, no 30, now 125, get a bit 30, 125, get a bit 30, no 25, get a bit 30, no 25, get a bit 30, 130, 125, get a bit 30, no 30, and 30, sold, $125. 1, 2, 3, buyer, 1, 2, 3. Next wagon right here, give 100. $100, then get a bit of 100, then get a bit of 100, then get a bit of 100. Get right between me and Kim. $100, then get a bit of 100. $100, then get a bit of 100, then get a bit of 150, then get a bit of 50, then get a bit of 50. Now watch that guy right behind you and watch him real close. $50, then get a bit of 50, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 25, get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 10, 15. Now 20, now 5. Now 30, now 5, 35, 35, 40, then get a bit of 40, now 40, 40, 40, now 5, 40, then get a bit of 5, 40, then get a bit of 5, 45, 50, then get a bit of 50, now 50, 50, then get a bit of 50, 50, now 50, 45, then get a bit of 50, 45, then get a bit of 50, now 50, 45, then get a bit of 50, 45, then get a bit of 50, now 50, 45, then get a bit of 50, 45, 50, 121, $45, buyer, 121. We're going to pull ahead. Okay, that didn't work. Let's sell that 10 out of that wagon, then we'll sell the wagon. How about that, Aaron? See all that 10 in there? That's why you couldn't pick it up with a tractor the other day. Buying that, just the 10 inside the trailer. Buying all that 10 inside the trailer, $50. $58 off, 15, then get a bit of 15, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 10, 12 and a half, 10, 12 and a half on just the 10. $10, 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 15, now 10, then get a bit of 12, 15, now 10, then get a bit of 12, 15, now 10, then get a bit of 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 12, 15, 10, then get a bit of 10, 15, now 10, then get a bit of 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 12 and a half, put a 111 on it, $10 bill. Now buy that steel wagon. Found the end gate for it and all right there, and get $50 on it, 15, then get a bit of 50, 15, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 25, get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 10, 15. $10, 15 on the wagon, $15, 10, then get a bit of 15, now 10, 15, 10, then get a bit of 15, now 20, now 20, now 20, 20, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 20, then get a bit of 5. $25, now 30, then get a bit of 30, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 30, then get a bit of 5, 30, then get a bit of 5, 30, then get a bit of 5, 35, 30, then get a bit of 5, 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 35, leave it right together, 111, $30 bill, we'll get the wrong piece that way. Buy a good old wheel disc right there and give 100. Big old heavy drag on the back, $100, then get it at 100, then get it at 100, then get it at 150, $58 off, 15, then get it at 50, 15, then get it at 25, then get it at 25, get it at 10, 15, $10, 15, then get it at 10, then get it at 15, now 10, then get it out 20, now 20, 20, now 5, 20, then get it at 5, now 30, then get it now 5, then get it at 35, 5, 40, yeah, $40, 5, 40, then get it at 15, then get it at 15, now 15, now 5, then get it at 5, 15, then get it at 5, 50, now 5, rolled out there easy, didn't it? Picked it up with pallet forks and set it right there. 50, now 5, 15, then get it at 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 5, 111, $50 bill, bar 111. Find the old drill right here, $50 on 50, then get it at 25, then get it at 25, get it at 5, 10, $5, 10, then get it at 5, 10, then get it at 10, 10, 5, then get it at $10, then get it at 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5, then get it at $10, then get it at 5, then get it at 10, 5, then get it at 10, $5, $10, then get it at 5, 10, $5, $10, then get it at 5, 10, then get it at 10, 5, then get it at 10, 10, what do you think? 5, then get it at 10, 5, thank you, 5, then get it at 10, 10, 5, then get it at 10, 5, then get it at 10, 111, $5 bill, bar 111. Ain't no way much. Find the old pal, call a vulture right there and give 100 and a half. 100 and a half, then get it at 1 and a half, 100, then get it at 100, then get it at 100, then get it at 30, 20, 30. 20, 30, then get it at 20, now 30, now 30, 20, then get it at 30, 20, then get it at 30, now 30, 30, then get it at 30, now 20, then get it at 30, now 30, 20, then get it at 5, that's good, 20, then get it at 5, 20, 25, 20, then get it at 5, 20, then get it at 5, 20, then get it at 5, 20, now 5, big old vulture, 20, now 5, 20, then get it at 5, 20, then get it at 5, 25, put a 111 on it, $20 bill, buyer 111. The old rotary mower right there, 50, trail type, 50, then get a bit of a day, 50, then get a bit of a 15, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 25, get a bit of 30. Now 5, then get a bit of 5, 35, Lisa, 30, then get a bit of 5, 35, 40, then get a bit of 40, now 35, get a bit of 40, now 40, now 40, 35, get a bit of 40, now 35, then get a bit of 40. $40 on 35, then get a bit of 40, now 35, get a bit of 40, now 40, now 40, 40, 35, 40, now 5, 45, Lisa, now 50, then get a bit of 50, now 50, now 50, now 5, $55, now 50, then get a bit of 5, 60, 60, then get a bit of 60, then get a bit of 60, then get a bit of 55, 60, $60 bill, 55, then get a bit of 60, now 55, then get a bit of 60, now 55, 60, sold for $55. 90. There's that old wagon right there. The seat needs a little repair, but not bad. Pretty good old wagon, always been stored right there, and get $500 on. $500, then get a bit of 500, then get a bit of 500, then get a bit of 500, then get a bit of 300, then get a bit of 3, then get a bit of 1, 2, 200, now 3, now 4, $400, now 5, then get a bit of 500, now 6, then get a bit of 600, then get a bit of 7, 700, now 7, now 8, then get a bit of 800, then get a bit of 8, now 9, get 900, pretty good old wagon, boys, 800, then get a bit of 900, then get a bit of 900, then get a bit, then get a bit of 900, 8 and a half, help 800, then get a bit of 50, 800, 8 and a half, then get a bit of 50, I got him, 800, 8 and a half, then get a bit of 50, now 800, 8 and a half, now 800, then get a bit of 50, now 800, 8 and a half, 800, 8 and a half, 800, then get a bounce, 800, then get a bit of 50, now 800, then get a bit of 50, now 800, then get a bit of 50, now 50, 800, then get a bit of 8 and a half, sold, young man, $800, 68, buyer, 68 at 800. Then you got 3 crates right there, 1 metal right there, $2, then get a bit of 1, then get a bit of 2, $1, $2, then get a bit of 1, then get a bit of 2, 1, then get a bit of $2, 1, then get a bit of 2, 1, then get a bit of 2, 1, then get a bit of 2, now 3, now 3, 3, now you're out at 3, now 4, then get a bit of 4, 4, then get a bit of 5, 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 5, then get a bit of 5, then get a 5, 4, 5, 74, $4 bill, buyer, 74. Choice saddle. Choice saddle, take 1 or 2 saddles right there and get 25. 25, go up a little bit. 25, then get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 10, 15 for choice saddle. $10, 15, then get a bit of 10, then get a bit of 15. Now 20, now 5, man, now 30. $30 for choice, 30, now 5, 30, then get a bit of 5, now 40, $40, now 40 for choice, now 5, and now 50, then get a bit of 50, now 50, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 60, 60, then get a bit of 60, now 5, then get a bit of 5, 65, 65, 70, now 70, oh, sun's bright now, 70, now 70, 65, 70, at 70, now 70, 65, 70 right there, 65, then get a bit of 70, now 70, 70, 70, sold her, $65, which one do you want, ma'am, one or both of them? If you take them both, you won't get the wrong one. Then get her number, Dylan, if you would, please.
146.
What happened? Oh, you got the wagon?
146.
Oh, that's gonna be great.
She took this one.
You took the brown one, you got the black one left right there. 50. $50, then get a bit of 15, then get a bit of 20, 25. 20, 25, 20, then get a bit of 5 on the black cell left. 20, then get a bit of 20, now 5, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 10, 15, get you. $10, 15, then get a bit of 10, then get a bit of 15, now 15, 15, 15, 15, 10 is there, now 15, then get a bit of 10, 15. $15, then get a bit of 10, then get a bit of 15, now 10, then get a bit of 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 12, 50, 10, 12 and a half, 10, 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 12, 50, 10, then get a bit of 12, 50, 10, then get a bit of 10, 12, 50, then get a bit of 10, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 12 and a half, 10, then get a bit of 12 and a half, let's put a 3-0 on that there, $10 bill. Look at all the bridles right there. You're buying all the bridles there. 25. Get them all. 25. Get a bit of 5, 25. Get a bit of 5, 25. Get a bit of 10. Then get a bit of 10. 10. Then get a bit of 5. Then get a bit of 5. Then get a bit of 5. 2, 3. Then get a bit of 2, 3. 2, 9, 4, 4. Then get a bit of 4. Then get a bit of 4. Then get a bit of 4. All the bridles. 3. Then get a bit of 4. Then get a bit of 4. Then get a bit of 4. $1 now. 3. Then get a bit of 4. Then get a bit of 4. 3, 4. Sold $3.95. Buyer 95. Some choice collar out there once or twice. 9 choice collar for 20. $20, negative a 20, negative a 10. $10 choice collar, 10 negative a 10, 10, 10 negative a 10, 10 negative a 10, 10, 10 negative a 10. Get 5 for choice collar. $5 negative a 5, 2, 3. $2, 3, get you. 2 negative a 3, 3, 3. Choice collar, 2 negative a 3. Now 4 negative a $4. Now 5 negative a 5, 5 negative a $5. Now 5. Now 5 for choice. $5 out, sir. $5 negative a 5, 4 negative a 5, 5, 5, 5. Get him, wake him up. Now say it. Negative a 6. $6 now 7. Negative a 7. No 7, 7, 6. Negative now 8. Negative 8. No 7. Negative 8. And now 9. Negative a 90. Negative a 9. Negative a 9. 90. Negative a 9. Now 10. Negative a 10. 10 for choice. 9. Negative a 10. Negative a 10. 10. Negative a 10. 9. 10. Sold. $9. What do you want out there, my friend? 168. You can take them all if you want. We don't care.
By the piece.
Just 2 up. What do you do if you have 3 horses?
He ain't got any. I don't have any horses, though.
Would you like to buy some?
Nah, we get to come with the land for the horse.
Yeah, we can do that too. Do anything you want. We're easy to get along with. What then bring, Kim? Let's go 1 choice again right there. 2, 3, next choice. John, 2, 3. 2, 3, negative 3, down, 2, negative 3, now 3, 3, 2, now 3, now 3, 4, negative 4, now 5, negative 5, 4, negative 5, 4, negative 5, next choice, 4, negative 5, 5, 4, negative 5, 4, negative 5, 5, 4, now 5. 74, $4. What do you want out there, Mr. Reinhardt?
I'll take them all.
Count them up for him. There's 1 rough one, so take 1 off. Count them all up, take subtract 1. Here, boys.
Yeah, you will have down this way.
I'm in on this side.
No.
Try to stay with me now.
I know. It's hard.
Yeah. Anything loose you want out this side, fellas? Minus the horse. We found out there's a mortgage on her. There's a mortgage on her, we can't sell her. $25 for everything on this side. From that tower this way. The swing tower. Swing tower this way, $25. 5, 7.5. Yep. 5, now 10. $10, 12.5. 12.5, 15, 15, 17.5. 17.5, 20, now get him 20, now 2.5, 22.5, 22.5, 20, now get him a do, 7.5, 20, now get him a do, 50, now 5, now get him a buy 25, and 27.5, 27.5, and 30, now get him a 30, now 5, 30, now 30, at 30, now 37, now get him a 30, now 27, now get him a 32.5, 32.5, at 32.5, 32.5, now 5, now get him a buy about 7.5, 37.5, and 37.5, 35, now get him a 50, now 5, 7.5, 35, now get him a 7.5, 7.5, 5, 7, 40, at 40, now 40, 42.5, 40, now get him a 2.5, and 42.5, 40, now get him a do, 50, now 40, now get him a 2.5, 40, now 2.5. Put a 111 on it, $40 bill.
Well, definitely not my normal load that I leave an auction with, but I'm happy. Just guessing it's probably a little over a half cord of wood there. Plus I got 2 by 6 rafters that probably oak, make good firewood, but got a 60-mile drive home, so I'm going to probably try to find county roads rather than state highway, because I know the truck's probably overloaded, but hopefully we'll make it. And I need to unload. I guess I can unload first thing in the morning because I want to go to auction tomorrow afternoon, but we'll see.